Billionaire American businessman Jeff Bezos and his three crewmates are engaging in a crash course of training on Sunday in preparation for his company Blue Origin's inaugural flight at the edge of space planned for Tuesday. This orbital launch from a site in the high desert plains of West Texas marks a crucial test for Blue Origin's new Shepard spacecraft, a 60-foot tall, 18.3 meters and fully autonomous rocket and capsule combo that is central to plans by Bezos to tap a potentially lucrative space tourism market. The planned 11-minute trip from the company's launch site, one facility, is set to include the oldest person ever to go to space, 82-year-old trailblazing female aviator Welly Funk, and the youngest 18-year-old physics student Oliver Damon. Joining them for Blue Origin's launch will be Bezos, the founder and current executive chairman of Amazon.com, and his brother Mark Bezos. The mission would represent the world's first unpiloted flight to space with all civilian crew. Blue Origin will have none of its staff astronauts or trained personnel on board, expressed confidence at a briefing on Sunday. We are not currently working any open issues and new Shepard is ready to fly, Flight Director Steve Linus said. The weather forecast appeared favored for the scheduled liftoff at 8 a.m. on Tuesday. New Shepard is due to launch 9 days after rival Richard Branson's space tourism company Virgin Galactic successfully carried out a suborbital flight from New Mexico with the British billionaire inside its rocket plane. Blue Origin's training program, according to the company, includes safety briefings, a simulation of the space flight, a review of the rocket and its operations, and instruction on how to float around the craft's cabin after the capsule sheds Earth's gravity. Bezos and his crewmates have started the 14-hour program on Sunday and would be ready to experience the flight of a lifetime.